So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check in online on AirAsia. So the first thing you want to do is to open up AirAsia so you can see app, purchases, check-in, FAQ, flight status, support, promotions, the languages, and your account right there. Now through there, if you want to check in online with AirAsia, I suggest you do that just by clicking on check-in. Now an interesting way to do that is also by you just logging into your account a day or 2 days before your AirAsia flight. You will automatically get an update or a notification about you checking in. So if you open up check-in, it's going to give you this screen right here, from which you can select your booking to check in or purchase add-ons. So just put in your first name or surname and your booking number, or PNR as it's called. Now you can find your booking number on AirAsia's email, on your manage booking page, purchases, stuff like that. So just look for that information and just add that surname that you used on your ticket. After that, you can click on search and you'll be able to check in online by doing that. So it's quite simple. You just need a booking number and your name to do that and just click on search. So that's about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on AirAsia or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.